What is poppin'? YouTube, TikTok, wherever you're seeing this. Today we got a little special video. We're gonna go take some flicks with some of my boys, and I'm gonna record. We're not gonna be talking while we're riding, just because I don't have my mic connected. But I'll be talking to y'all when we're not riding. You know, I'll show y'all the boys' bikes. I'll introduce them. But yeah, stay tuned because we're about to go take some flicks, ride down to San Diego, and yeah, it's gonna be a dope video. So stay tuned. What's up? Fucking YouTube, TikTok. We got V2 Santa right here. I'll throw his at and shit up here. And then we got Jonah. I'll fucking throw his at up here. Gonna go take flicks and shit. Let me just show you guys the bikes real quick. Got the slowest bike of all mankind. And then we got a fucking rich ass Ducati Panigale V2 right there. Fucking, I don't know if the camera's showing how the fairings are popping, but god damn. But and then we got the slow ass CBR, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're gonna go cruise, take pics. I'm not gonna be recording, or I'm not gonna be talking while I'm riding. I don't got my mic, but yeah, stay tuned. We might fucking be wilding on the highway a little bit here and there, you know. But yeah, see you guys on the highway, and then I'll see you guys whenever we're taking pics. So peace. TikTok goes here. That's a fucking we're about to go hit the highway, hit the fog and shit. I don't know what they're saying. first spot. Got the bikes. We're about to post them up. You guys can see this view. This shit looks insane. I don't know how far you guys can see it. This shit looks fucking crazy. But we're about to take pictures here, and then we'll move up, and we'll keep taking pictures. Yeah, stay tuned. Fucking, that shit's looking crazy. The sun is fucking blinding me. But we're getting clean bikes up and shit. Yeah, we're about to take some fucking sick ass pictures. So you guys stay tuned.
It's not super focused.
Space. Just as long as we're in the window, I think. So I can park on the line? Yeah. I mean, worst case, if you want the lines there, you can just Photoshop it over. If you want them there, take them out. Yeah. This will be on the line. Am I evenly spaced?
Alright, we just finished with the pictures. I don't know how good the camera looks right now because it's starting to get dark. But we're done with the pictures. We're about to go get some food, and then we're about to go hit the castle. Y'all not gonna see what I'm talking about, but yeah, I'll probably adjust the camera settings right now so y'all can see a little better. But let's go do that. Pulled up here. If you live in San Diego or know about San Diego, you most definitely know about this temple or like church, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, we just got here. We're about to take some dope pictures, as you guys can see. We got the bikes, they're over there. About to go link up with them. Came over here to talk to y'all, but yeah, let's take some fucking take some sick ass pictures with the chapel or church, whatever you want to call it, in the background.
It's not even on.
We got the...
You almost stepped on my drone. I was about to beat your ass.
We got this guy. We're recording with the drone. We got the bikes right here. CBR1k. The fucking photographer right there. But yeah, we're gonna ride home. I might not record because it's really dark, but if I do, you guys will see it. And if not, peace.